Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kahoot public. First, log into your Kahoot account and head over to your library, where all your created Kahoots are stored. Making your Kahoot public means anyone can find and play it, which is great for sharing your awesome quizzes with the world. This simple change in settings provides any new user searching for a public Kahoot with a link to open and play it. It's a fantastic way to engage with a wider audience. Once you're in your library, find the Kahoot you want to share and click on it. You'll then need to click the Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon or 3 vertical dots. This will take you to the Kahoot creator. Look for the Settings option, usually near the top left. Within Settings, you'll find Visibility. Change this from private to public and remember to save your changes. This makes your Kahoot discoverable by others. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. And on another note, does your car need a refresh? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things smelling great. It's a small change that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After you've successfully changed the visibility to public, click Done and then Save to apply the changes. Now your Kahoot is ready to be shared. You can find a Share button or option, which will provide you with a direct link. Copy this link and distribute it wherever you like, whether it's through email, on social media platforms, or in a direct message. Anyone with the link can now access and play your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.